Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a Chinese New Year OOTD style guide using Pixpic. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and you don't need to worry about the credits. So let's get started. First, just open Pixpic. You can use it on the websites or the mobile app like this, just whichever you prefer. And if you don't have an account yet, just log in using your email or social media account. And after that, don't worry about the credits. Pixpic will give daily credits, so you can try this feature without paying anything. And once you're logged in, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it. This is where all the ready-made styles are available. And then next, just tap on the Nano, and then next just tap on Nano image. This one, Nano image menu. This one, just tap on it. And then next just select or tap the gallop into 2026 styles guide. This one, this effect, just tap on it. And then next just tap on use template. And after that, just simply upload your photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo and then facing the camera with good lighting. And I think a simple background will work best, but it's totally okay if it's not perfect. Like this. And after that, just simply tap on create it. This one, it will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Just go to image, but first just go to image like this and wait for the process. Okay, your image is ready like this. In just a few moments, your normal photo is now transformed into a Chinese New Year OOTD style guide like this. It looks so cool. And then next, if you like it, you can just download it by tap on by tap on download this one, and then you can also share it directly to your social media. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.